Welcome to Business Central video series. This is Michael Pito from Vistas Cloud. Assembly orders are internal orders which connect to the sales requirements with warehouse activities which differ from other order types as they involve both output and consumption when posting. In assembly quote, you cannot create one unless you link it to the sales quote. To link an assembly quote to the sales quote, search for sales quotes in the Tell Me window and select the related link. Select New Action. Enter the sales quote basic details. Enter the item number, for instance, the assembly BOM item. Enter quantity and quantity to assemble to order. An assembly quote has been generated. You cannot convert the assembly quote to order as it is linked to the sales quote. Converting the assembly quote should be done in the sales quote by converting sales quote to order. To convert the assembly quote, select the Make Order action from the sales quote. The assembly quote has been converted to assembly order. See the related video linking an assembly order through the sales order to post sales order and assembly order at the same time.